Hello everybody, how's it going?
Hey guys, how are you guys doing? My name is Michael and this is my beautiful wife Seema.
And you are welcome to Shine's Funtopia.
On today's episode of Shine's Funtopia, we're gonna be making surgical masks because there's been a depletion, like stores are out of masks and like the N95s, and it's for coronavirus COVID-19. So it's basically two simple items that you need. First item is you need paper towels. The best brand to use is called Bounty because Bounty paper towels are very thick, and you need rubber bands from a dollar store. That's about it. Okay, so
Let's start.
let's start. So we need about, in total, we need about 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets. So you basically fold the sheets like this, make them nice and flat. Okay, and then you fold one like this over here, like that. Okay, and then you go like this. You're basically folding it like a fan, like when making a homemade fan. You go like this. Go like this.
You want me to help?
Yeah, sure, you can fold. I'm just gonna get the stapler. So in total, there's 3 items. It's paper towels, staplers, and rubber band. Okay. So now,
Where are we going to stuff them?
no. Yeah, you staple over here first. Put the rubber band. Yeah. Correct. Perfect. Okay, and then one over here. Okay, this way. That's good. Better you do it. Okay, now we have to pretty much have to staple the rubber bands over here too. So there's basically going to be 2 staples. As you can see, it just took like maybe 3 minutes to make. And I got myself a nice face mask to protect myself from the germs and the virus that's going on right now. So this is pretty simple to make
And cheap too.
and cheap too. So you guys, don't have to worry if you don't have any masks. You can make it at home. So also on today's episode, we wanted to have a discussion about coronavirus and what's going on. So we've been giving live updates and we've really been watching the news and stuff like that. So pretty much today is like, in Italy there was about almost 400 people that died today, and that this virus is really screwing up the economy. But gas prices, they went down quite a bit. We're actually looking at almost 90 cents a liter right now.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a lot. And the Prime Minister of Canada, Justin Trudeau, said that don't have to pay mortgage for 6 months.
That was really nice.
That was really nice of him. And even though I didn't vote for him, but this year I'll be voting for him. So he's a good Prime Minister. He cares about his people, his country. But the situation is right now is it's gonna be like this for a couple months. Like I think a lot of cities are gonna be getting quarantined and locked down because this virus continues to spread. Like today, it even reached Oceania, like the South Pacific. Like Fiji has one, Tonga has one, Samoa has one. So the only place this virus has not gone to is Antarctica. But this is a global pandemic because a pandemic actually means that a worldwide infection. So now that there's so many cases, it's gonna continue to grow. And if countries don't do the lockdown procedure like Wuhan, China did, it's gonna become like Italy. Like Italy, it took them a while to basically assess the situation, and now it's so hard over there that the medical workers, doctors, nurses, they're overwhelmed. Like they're not even like, you know, they don't know what they can do, because you can't have like 400 people come to the hospital at once. Like we need to fix this situation now before we become like Italy. And this virus is really affecting the elderly too, because there's a lot of elderly people with underlying health conditions, like they have asthma, diabetes, high blood pressure, and that's pretty much, it's not a good thing to contract this virus with those conditions, because the chances of survival are very less. And we should be very wary about the elderly people, because like, for example, like where our immune system is a lot stronger than theirs, so we should try to stay away from them and so that they won't get sick. And another thing is children, like they say under 5, there's not many cases. There was one newborn with it, but the newborn recovered. It was in UK, in London. And I think right now the world is, it's pretty much, it's like the world is in a pause right now, because this is something that they couldn't predict. And it could be a biological weapon, it could be, you know, it was a spillover from animals, it could be, you know, it could be many things. But if we don't fix this issue now, then it will be too late, because a vaccine won't come, they're saying, until they made a vaccine, but to have it tested in humans, it's like have it produced in mass amounts will take about a year. And that's a long way, yeah. And having this virus for 1 year is, viruses are organisms that can mutate. It's like they have an RNA and they have a DNA. So basically what it could do is it could become more immune to like antibiotics. So honestly, I'll tell you guys the truth is China is a very big reason that this virus spread so fast, because they were very careless and they were very naive. Like they didn't let people know for 2 months. And those 2 months made a big difference now. Like I feel very sad for these elderly people that lost their lives, and you know, it's a very sad way to die too. Like your lungs they stop working, and you know, it's not a peaceful death. You know what I mean? And right now the new mortality rate for this is 10%. And Italy alone is at almost like 20% death rate. So it's pretty bad over there. And this is not gonna get better. Like Canada right now, the cases are just going up. Like so many people are still not getting tested, but you know, we need to go and get tested, people, because if you don't get tested, you're gonna affect other people around you. And right now the way it's going is that I think in 2-3 weeks, I think probably next week we're probably gonna go into a lockdown, and that would be great for us, because then we can contain this. They need to come and desanitize the city. You know what I mean? Like they have to get the machines, they have to get the pollutants, they gotta get the virus killers, and they gotta clean up the city. Like, you know, then that's the only way we can stop the spread of this virus, or else there's honestly no other way. Other than that, you know, it's was nice today. It was, having family around and spending time with family. But you always have the worry on the back of your head that I don't want my family to contract this disease. And today was one of those days that we were all together, and I really feel for the world right now, and I pray for everybody that's in the hospital and the elderly and everybody, and I wish everybody the best of luck. Thank you.
Thanks for watching Shine's Funtopia, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye. Take care.